Hello, this is our engineering exploration course project of vertical drawing board presented by Ifra, Sairajit, Hema, Aniket of 2nd SEM and Division under the guidance of Sir Prashant Narayankar. So firstly, let us go with the problem definition, that is of designing a semi-automatic drawing board which should be able to sketch any sort of simple art form on an A4 size sheet. It should weigh about 3 kg with size 60 into 60 into 60 centimeter. The duration of completion of this board is of 3 months, which falls under the budget of 3000 rupees. The board should include an adjustable pen, paper and ink holder. And at last, when the sketch is completed, it should give an alert sound of completion. Function tree and function clustering. As we can see here that the figure 1 function tree of our project, that is drawing board, consists of 4 main functions: input information, sketch, holding unit and indication, which has many sub-functions under it. Similarly, when we see the figure 2 function clustering, we can see that there are 4 main functions under which there are many sub-functions. For example, let us take portrait and word forms. That is the sub-function of the main function sketch and is clustered under its main function, that is sketch. Subsystems identified. The subsystems we identified in our project were the base unit, the writing unit and the interface unit. Generated concepts. We generated 4 concepts for our drawing board. The first concept is a horizontal drawing board which consists of a robotic arm as its drawing unit or writing unit. The second concept is a drawing board which sketches on a spherical surface or spherical body. The third drawing board is a vertical drawing board which is fixed to a wall and it has gondola as its writing unit. The fourth concept is the horizontal drawing board which uses XY plotter as its writing unit and is portable as it has rollers under it. So after seeing all these concepts, analyzing and calculating using puck chart, we came to a conclusion that we will go with concept 3. So a selected concept is the concept 3, that is the vertical drawing board. So now we will see the 3D model of the entire system. We can see on the screen that is the 3D model of our project, that is the drawing board. We can see that it has the base which holds the paper on it. The blue object which is present on the base is called the gondola, which is the writing unit. It holds the pen and also has a servo motor. The servo motor is externally connected to the pen which sees the movement of the pen. It also has clamps which supports the stepper motor. It is present on the 2 upmost top corners of the drawing board. A vertical drawing board is supposed to be attached to the wall. After the completion of 3D model, we need circuit diagram for the working of the drawing board. So this is the circuit diagram of our project. It consists of a servo motor, 2 stepper motor, 1 Arduino, 1 breadboard and a battery. The servo motor deals with the movement of the pen. Stepper motor is connected to the servo motor which deals with the writing unit. Bill of materials required for the entire system. Our system requires 12 parts, namely writing board, microcontroller, 2-channel relay module, stepper motor, field for stepper motor, gondola, GT2 pulley, 16 teeth set, board marker pen, jumper wires, any form of weight, GT2 rubber belt and power supply. We can see here that we are using AA batteries in the form of weight. Flow chart of the entire system. So when a drawing board starts working, it first takes user input to select the sketch. Either sketch 1, sketch 2, sketch 3 or sketch 4. After getting sketch from the storage, gondola gets instruction to draw. If at all there is an error in sketching, the red LED flashes, else green LED flashes. And after the completion of the sketch, the process stops. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. The motor sizing of our system, we can see that the speed of the servo motor is 60 rpm and we are using only one micro servo motor. Whereas in stepper motor, the speed of each stepper motor is 50 rpm, where we are using two stepper motors. Battery sizing, we can see that the total current drawn will be 5 ampere hour. Functional specifications of the entire system. Here we can see the functions of our system, that is to accept the user input, holding pin, holding sheet, alarms, movable arms. The specifications say and specify about the function, about each function. For example, we can say that the whole function holding pen has its specification that the gondola should hold the pen at almost an angle of 90 degrees so that the pen should be in contact with the board. And so there are 5 other specifications with respect to the functions. So this is a Tinkercad simulation which is seen on the screen. So basically our project consists of a servo motor, 4 different buttons which represent 4 different sketches, Arduino board, a breadboard and 2 stepper motors. So similarly we can see here a stepper motor, 4 different buttons, Arduino board and 2 breadboards, and due to lack of resources we have no stepper motor in the Tinkercad, so we have used 8 LEDs in the replacement of stepper motor, where 4 LEDs represent each stepper motor. So when I start simulation, we can see that the LEDs blink in a clockwise manner. And when I press the button 1, we can see that the servo motor rotates according to the drawing pattern. And here goes the button 2 with the sketch 2, followed by the button 3 which represents the sketch 3, and at last comes the button 4 which is the last sketch, that is sketch 4. So this was a Tinkercad simulation. So here we come to an end. Thank you.